Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing a new nail polish of the week one, in which I choose one random color for my collection and just swatch it, talk about life and so on. So yeah, definitely grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me, because this is your me time to relax and so on. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But yeah, let's just get into the whole application. Start off with clean nails. As usual, I have a little bit of a gel base and top coat on my nails, on my own natural nails I have to say, to protect them from breaking, staining and so on. I'm just gonna start off with a base, and the polishes that I'm using today are all by Essie. I have gotten a couple of really cool polishes from their advent calendars, not only last year but the year before as well. I have done a full-on unboxing video of the Essie 2021 advent calendar, so if you're curious to see more about that, you can definitely check it out. It's on my channel as well. I am planning on doing advent calendar unboxings pretty much every year now. I think it's really fun, and of course, if you don't want to know what's inside an advent calendar, just don't watch. I always add like a spoiler alert, but if you're really curious like I am, definitely check it out. But yeah, I am just using a random base by Essie. This is a mini sized bottle, so the regular sized one would be around, I think, like 10 milliliters or something like that. But this one is a little smaller and around 5 milliliters. It is pretty basic, it isn't super special or anything like that. I don't feel like it gives a lot of extra protection. It is just a simple base for my nail polish to grab onto, adhere to, so it lasts a little bit longer on the natural nail. So yeah, it's not like wow amazing, definitely would recommend it. There are a ton of other ones that I would recommend way like faster, which are a lot better, a lot longer wearing, if you know what I mean. So yeah, it is a basic one. It's not bad, but it isn't amazeballs either. But for today's color, I really wanted to do something pink, and because Valentine's Day is just around the corner, I was like, I am going to take a hot, cute pink color. This one is called Mod Square. I think this one was in the advent calendar from 2021 as well. There were actually a pretty decent amount of full-size bottles in that one, like kind of like a whole collection that was like put into that as well. I'm not quite sure if you can get this polish like online separately, like apart from the advent calendar, but definitely just look for it online and I'm sure it will be available somewhere. But yeah, it is just a really nice, kind of like a hot Barbie pink kind of color. It is super creamy, there isn't any shimmer or glitter or anything like that in here, but it is definitely a color that always like lures me in. I love pink colors, especially if you've been hanging out with me here for a longer period of time. You know that I love pinks and I would never say no to a pink polish. But yeah, it is just really nice. As I mentioned, nothing like really like ooh super Valentine's like, but I feel like it is perfect for Valentine's Day, in my opinion. It doesn't have any heart-shaped glitter or anything like that. Of course, you can always add that if you feel like it. It pretty much is a color you can wear all year round, but yeah, I'm still trying to squeeze in a little bit of like time and space and upload schedule wise to actually do a Valentine's Day design. I am also getting back into uploading 3 videos a week, so I am going back to my regular upload schedule, which is Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. For the last like 6 weeks or so, I wasn't able to upload 3 videos a week, so I just did 2 videos on Mondays and Thursdays. But since everything is getting like settled in a little more, my new like work home distance is getting a little bit more used to me, a little bit more familiar. I am just deciding to go back through 3 videos because I love doing videos and I love hanging out with you guys as well. So if there are any specific videos you would like me to do, let me know in the comment section down below. Of course, last Monday I have already shared my first AliExpress video, like AliExpress haul unboxing video of 2022. It has been a hot minute. I can't even remember if I did an AliExpress unboxing or haul video last year in 2021. I don't even know if I've done that, but it has been a while that I just sat down and looked around, like searched around on AliExpress for some cool new nail stuff. So I really hope to do one video like that every 2 months or something like that, if I of course am able to find some really cool stuff at AliExpress for a decent price as well. So yeah, definitely check out last video, like Monday's video, if you want to see more AliExpress stuff, because you know, I've really missed it and I've really forgotten the fact how much fun it was to go like shopping at AliExpress and just doing unboxing videos and just being surprised with like, oh yeah, I did order that, and just being able to think of some new designs or at least like nail art to create with those items. But yeah, if you do have any like suggestions of specific videos you would like me to do, because I'm getting back into an extra video a week, I do need some extra inspiration, to be honest. And yeah, I am also planning on doing a new nail room tour video, because of course I have moved. I have a new room which I have like made my nail room, and I'm also planning on doing like a nail polish collection video and stuff like that. So yeah, if you have any other ideas, do let me know in the comments down below. But back to this color, it is just so stunning. It is pretty much opaque within 2 coats. I do feel like you don't want to overwork this polish a lot, because with every brush stroke you might pick up a little bit of that polish pigment and get some patchiness, bald patches, stuff like that. But yeah, once your color is completely dry, oh, and of course, definitely let me know what you are wearing on your nails right now. Maybe you are painting your nails together with me. I'm always really curious to hear what you guys are wearing or applying. But once your colored coats are completely dry, you want to go in with a top coat. I'm just going in with one by Essie. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I am just going in with all Essie. I don't know why. I just felt like just sticking to one brand today. This is a pretty decent top coat. It is a little bit more on the thicker side, and I also really feel like you want to have a little bit more product on your brush to prevent any streakiness from happening, and just to have a full, like flawless, clear end result. So it is a glossy top coat with a glossy finish. I feel like it has a decent drying time. It isn't super quick drying or something like that. It just gives a really nice thick gel-like looking glossy finish, and that is something that I really love. I think it's also really, or always really gorgeous just to have a glossy finish. I'm really a glossy finish kind of girl. I am really trying to do more matte finish designs or manicures or anything like that, but my heart just really belongs to a glossy finish. Yeah, let me know what you think. Are you team glossy or team matte? I'm really curious to hear about that, because I feel like there are a lot of people that are really into glossy but don't really like go towards matte finishes a lot, just like me. So yeah, let me know, are you team glossy or team matte? But of course, just apply your top coat, make sure it is fully dry. Also make sure to cap off your edges to prevent any tip wear or chipping from happening. And yeah, definitely let me know what you think about this color. It's really cute, very girly. I just love hot pink colors. I really love how like glossy the finish of this top coat is. It just gives full on Barbie vibes in my opinion. So yeah, not only suitable for Valentine's Day if you're into the more hot pink kind of looking manicures, but yeah, just really gorgeous. And wearable all year round. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.